What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts out there scamming people. Y'all still getting scammed. I don't know how, but y'all still are. So please, before y'all send your money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today I'm going to be giving y'all some quick gems, some quick information on how you can change your life on some businesses, 7 businesses that you can invest in that can get you quick, rich, fast. All right, now a lot of people don't be asking me, what's some ways to make money, Hustle? How can I get rich, Hustle? How can I get rich fast, Hustle? What's some businesses to invest in? How can I make passive income? Well, today I'm going to be talking about 7 businesses that can do that for you, all right? So make sure you tune in, make sure you listen to what I'm saying, and make sure you connect the dots and see how they might apply to you. So the first business we're going to be talking about today are laundromats. All right, now, you got to think about it. Laundromats are needed. Everybody doesn't have a washer and a dryer. People need to wash their clothes on a daily basis. Even when you guys might even need to use a laundromat, right? So laundromats are a great business to invest in. There's some self-service laundromats. You got some, they're cash cows, they're coin operated and card operated, all right? So you can have a merchant account with those and you can get coins with them. So having a laundromat is very profitable. It's a great business to invest in. It's a great direction to really start in. And you got to think about it. If you don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest into a laundromat right off the bat, be smart. Step outside the box. Think to yourself, what things do you need for a laundromat to succeed? How are they cleaning those clothes? What devices do they need? What tools do they need? Come up with those ways to get those tools yourself and start your own laundromat. Start promoting your own business. Start getting the word out there. And I guarantee you can start your own laundromat that way and then start investing money, getting loans, building your credit so you can invest and get your own laundromat and go off like that and get to start your own dry cleaning business with the laundromat. All right, so a laundromat is definitely a cash cow. It's a business that is self-run, self-ran. You don't have to do anything. People go in there with their own detergent or they can buy it from you, put the coins in there, and they run it. Easy peasy peanut butter cup, all right? So the second business that a lot of people aren't talking about that can get you rich very, very fast is landscaping, all right? Now, with landscaping, you got commercial businesses, you got residential businesses, you can get contracts, you got community contracts, and it's very lucrative. And I mean by that is, okay, if you can get a commercial or residential contract, that means, let's say you stay in Atlantic Creek, and it's all a whole community, just homes. Like you stay in Atlantic Creek, and it's a community homes. You can get a contract with Atlantic Creek to do all the landscaping homes in that community. Major bucks. You could be getting $10,000-$15,000 easy a month just off one contract. Boom, let's say you got 10 contracts. That's $100,000 to $150,000 you can be getting just by landscaping. What is landscaping? Cutting the grass, getting the trees together, making the home beautiful outside, cleaning up outside. All that is landscaping. Grass grows fast, especially in climates and places where it's summer year-round. So if you're somewhere that's summer year-round, it's hot all the way year-round, it doesn't snow or anything like that, landscaping is a great business for you because all you need is a lawnmower, all you need is a blower, and all you need is a trimmer. As long as you got those 3, you're in business. So all you gotta do is cut the grass, trim the edges, and blow the grass off the dry pavement and all that, and now that yard looks good. And you can get deep into planting flowers and doing things like that, making the house look very beautiful. So that's a very lucrative business that you can invest in. All you need is a couple $100 and you can get on going. big houses, big places with big front yards and backyards. You can get up to $150 a house, maybe even $200. You do 5 to 10 houses, you made you $1,000 or $2,000 that fast in that day. All right, and just imagine you're doing different neighborhoods. You got different people working with you. You can make $10,000 a day off that. You can make $50,000 a week just off landscaping. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in and landscaping. Third, we got parking lots. All right, we got been to the beach, lots of parking lots. There's always an event. There's always parking. There's always somebody somewhere for parking. If you go to a beach and it's a hot summer day or some type of festival or something, there's always going to be parking. If you ever been to any festivals and there's houses around, you got people who charge to let you park on their grass or park on their property. You can go buy you a lot and let people charge people to park in there in that lot. There's so many ways to make money off parking. Is always an event. And like I said, if you stay in a place where it's summer year round, there's always partying, there's always something going on. Finding you a parking, like if it's a lot for sale, that'll be a great investment to buy a lot, an open lot, because you can use that for parking, charge whatever you want to charge, start making profit, just like at the beach. You got people always looking for cheap parking. You got so just lots is profit. All right, so pay attention to them parking lots. All right, storage facilities, that's another one. All right, you can bring in 6 to 7 figures per year. People have a ton of stuff. If you can, it's always okay. You got to think outside the box. The majority of the people in the world want to cut corners with everything. People want to do everything as easy as possible. Want to get things as easy as and cheap as possible, right? People got bad credit, so sometimes they might not pass a credit check to join this company for this. Sometimes they might got certain things that they might pass the background check to be a part of that, right? So storage facilities. If you can buy your own storage facility or rent out your own facility and rent it to somebody, that's a great opportunity, because people moving on a daily basis. People have tons of junk. People are always looking for places to put certain things. So if you can rent out a place to sublease to somebody, or buy a storage to start renting out, or even investing into your own storage company and owning your own storage business, people always will need a storage for cars, home appliances, any and everything. So storages are another thing. All right, another business that is cash cow. It's a cash cow business. It's waste management. All right, waste disposal is never going away. Long-term play. All right, garbage is always going to be out there 24/7. Start your own the garbage disposal business for certain things. Get contracts and start making a lot of money with garbage disposal. All right, so that's another thing. Another we got the sixth business on the list is nail salons. Now, charge service fees, cosmetic industries, rewarding people, pay top dollar, petty manny nail designs. All right, now owning a nail salon is a great profitable business. Why? Because women and men need petties and manis on a daily basis. Women love getting their nail done on a daily basis, getting those acrylic and all those design on their nails and their feet looking good on a daily basis. So if you got a legit profitable nail salon that's very attractable, that has people coming in and out, you can start off with 2 chairs and grow. It doesn't matter. You can go buy a nail salon from somebody, take it over. It's a lot of ways for you to own your own nail salon. It's a very profitable business. You got to think about it. You got you 20 chairs. You doing 50 to 100 people on a day, almost getting $200 at the least a person. That's a very profitable business. All right, so a nail salon is another business for you to check out and for you to maybe want to dibble and dabble in. All right, and then the number seven business on the list for cash cows that a lot of people aren't talking about are accounting firms. All right, bookkeeping, we got tax prep, we got financial planning, we got professional service, we got credit, we got fractional CFO services. It's a lot of things in an accounting firm, right? It's a lot of people who need to learn about credit. It's a lot of people that need to learn about taxes. A lot of people that need to learn about where to put their money. It's a lot of people who need to learn about where to invest their money. It's a lot of people that want to learn how to make money, period. All right, so the financial service / accounting firms is a great profitable business to invest in. Learn credit, teach credit, help people clean and build their credit, help people get loans and lines of credit, credit cards and all those things like that, help people really succeed in life. It's a major profitable business in the world. All right, so that's 7 quick business on how you can become successful very fast. You can make up to $100,000 in a month, even more with all those businesses. All you got to do is take it serious, be consistent, and I guarantee you your business will succeed. All right, so make sure y'all watching this video, taking those business in consideration, and maybe you can take one of those ideas and be successful and run and make millions of dollars and do whatever you need. All right, it's all about the knowledge. Applied knowledge is power. All right, you take that knowledge, you apply it to your life. I guarantee you turn it into power. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody looking to get their credit lessons, I'm still doing the flash sale. You want your credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean your credit and build your credit, get loans, lines of credits, and credit cards. It's only $300, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $300 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot, and we're going to go from there, all right? So make sure y'all follow instructions, and make sure y'all tapping into the New Age Credit Repair credit lessons. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, one topic, $500. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the payment is on your balance, the $500, send me the screenshot and we're gonna go from there. All right. So basic lessons, one lesson, one topic, $500. FaceTime 101s, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure the $500 on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance. Send me the screenshot when it's there. We're gonna get to work. All right. So don't miss out. Also, anybody out there looking to get unlimited gems, FaceTime 101s is gonna be $1,200. With that, you're going to learn about CPNs. You're going to learn about credit, cleaning and building. You're going to learn how to invest your money, make passive income. You're going to learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media. You're going to get all the documents that you need to succeed, from pay stubs, bank statements, all that. I'm going to show you where to get all that and make them happen. I'm going to give you everything that you need, all right? So, unlimited gems, FaceTime 101s is $200. Also, make sure you're getting y'all mentorships. I'm taking people under my wing. $2,500, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $2,500 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. We're going to go from there. With the mentorship, you're going to get all the limited gems. Plus, I'm going to teach you about the DW. And we're going to make passive income together. We're going to make these YouTube automation channels together. We're going to run it up and make these bands. So if you make it 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. If you make it 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that, all right? Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person limited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. So if I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. But if you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money will meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all tap in on that. Also, make sure y'all, I'm looking for people for the production company still. Any rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramans, tap in. Let's get to this work. Let's get to this money. Teamwork make the dream work. Any rappers, any singers ready to get their chain, get their watch, start making money with their music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you? All right, so make it make sense. This is business. Any beautiful ladies out there ready to grow and build their platform, ready to get their face out there, ready to start making money with this entertainment business, tap in. Teamwork make the dream work. You don't got a good attitude, I cannot work with you. All right, so a lot of women out there that be having some bad attitudes and they be missing out on their blessings. All right, you got to think about it. Maybe you're in the position that you're in right now because of your attitude, because ain't nobody stopping you but yourself. All right, so if you got somebody out there like me that's willing to help you get into positions that you need to win, I'm not saying I'm always right, but maybe I know a little bit about a lot. So let me help you, help us, and let's get to this money. All right, make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. Teamwork make the dream work. You can't be corrected. You cannot be directed. All right, so be cool. I'm not saying I'm 100% right all the time, but I'm saying just listen. If you listen, you got something to say, I'm going to listen. And we can come together and make it work. All right, so all my beautiful ladies out there, tap in. Let's get to work. Let's make this money. Traveling. We're going to be behind that camera. I'm going to have you doing skits, blogs, interaction with the friends. We might travel to the States, asking couple questions, asking crazy sex stories, or whatever it takes. We're going to make it happen, all right? Also, still looking for cameraman. Still looking for, you got a good camera, got good editing skills. Tap in. Let's make it happen, all right? Also, if you looking to make that money, you looking to make thousands of dollars and thousands and thousands of dollars, tap in. Cash App Glitchy, $250. You're gonna get the Cash App Glitchy, and you're gonna learn how to make $10,000 a week at the least. You can make that a day, but at the least you're gonna make it a week. All right, for $250, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. So once the $250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot on my Telegram. The link is in all my descriptions where all my social media accounts are, and you can find it in my community post, and you can find it in every video. All right, so hit me on my Telegram. Cash App Glitchy, how to make $10,000 a week, if not a day, all profit, one free fully, $250, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Send me the screenshot of it being on the $250 being on your balance. If you do not send me the screenshot of the $250 being on your balance, you being payment ready, I will not respond. Easy as that. All right, this is business. So make sure y'all follow instructions. Make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all ready to work. Make sure y'all ready to win. And we're going to get it in. It's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.